Hold up. Do you see this beat? Like, do you? Okay, anyways.
Hit on with the jab.
I got Gucci around my ass. These niggas in last place. Bitch, I got that bag. Bitch, I got that bag. I got Gucci around my ass. These niggas in last place. Bitch, I'm in the first place. Bitch, I'm in the fast. I be saucing, little bitch. I do that often, little bitch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I will be getting back into the swing of things, the groove, you feel me, of editing and creating content and posting regularly, or at least I'm gonna try to. And yeah, hit the bell to be notified whenever I do post. I would greatly appreciate it. So please like, comment, subscribe. I'm back with the video because I wanted to do a review on this brand that I came across on Instagram. The name of the brand is called hustlewithagoal, and I feel like I'm a female hustler, you know, always hustling, always on the grind, always on go mode, you feel me? This brand pretty much makes like customized jewelry, and it so reminds me of like throwback 90s 2000 when everybody used to be rocking the bamboo hoops, trying to look like new from ATL, you feel me, and custom nameplates, custom rings and everything. But yeah, I like this brand because not only is it a black owned business, and you must support black owned businesses, but I just love the concept. It's so dope, like taking over for the 2000s type of ish, you feel me? And the website is so cute. Like when you first go on, it's like a little notification that has like the throwback like sidekick that everybody wanted. You put your email address in to be notified for any discounts or any new items on her website. And Hustle with a Goal is described as, and I'm reading off of the website right now, Hustle with a Goal is herhustle.org's lifestyle brand based out of Brooklyn, New York, that designs cool-ish for ladies who listen to trap music in Sade. We represent the girls who grind, stack, repeat, all while keeping their eyebrows on fleek, because twerking doesn't mean your brain ain't working, and no matter how much you doubt them, they'll always hustle with a goal. It came in this packaging, a cute little metallic bubble mailer, and I love that she put the fragile sticker on there, so you know, let the USPS people know not to play with my mother freaking package, you feel me, because they love throwing crap around. But yeah, this was her limited edition like packaging for Valentine's Day. So it came in here taped up nicely with the cute little long confetti, my earrings, and pink starburst, like pink starburst, bitch, like yes, pink starburst. You see that? And I had asked if she can make the S into a $, because you know I'm about my paper, and I love it. Like, it's not heavy. It feels like, you know how like some jewelry feels like cheap, or like you're like, bitch, I bought this from the dollar store. Like, no, like this feels like great quality. I love that it's handmade, you know. She has different fonts. I picked, this is the custom single plated bamboo earrings, and the font that I picked is Linda because I like the little drippy effect, you know. And the price was, and I think this was on sale, but it was on sale for $30, And then she had a $12 off discount code, so it was $30 minus the $12, and then it was an $8 shipping fee. There was no tax, so I only paid $26 for these custom earrings. And on the invoice, well, on the website in the invoice, you have to agree that you will be able to wait for 2 to 4 weeks for your jewelry to be made, because you know it is customized. And also she may have like a lot of orders and everything. So I ordered on February 4th, and then I ordered February 4th, and then I received these earrings like February 20th. Like, it was so fast. Like, I didn't even wait that long to get my order. And along with the earrings comes this cute little thank you card, and you can see like the bamboo print earrings in the back. It says, "It's finally here. I know waiting weeks for something you ordered online can be frustrating. I just want to thank you for being patient with me and trusting me with your hard-earned money. Your custom piece was handmade with love, and I hope you love it just as much as I love putting it together." And her name is Streetsy. She goes by StreetsyB on Instagram. All her information in her shop will be linked down below in the description box. She gave me a code for 15% off my next order. And then she says, don't forget to tag her on social media so she can see how fly you look. And then, you know, at Streetsy, hustle with a goal, her hustle. And on the back, it tells you like instructions on how to maintain your earrings, saying keep dry, wear occasionally, wipe clean after each use, store carefully. So yeah, I love these. Like, if I had a different wig on, you know, be able to rock the hell out of these. You'll be able to see them. But yeah, look how bomb these earrings look. Like, it just sets off the whole vibe, whole aesthetic, you know. Don't judge me, I only have one earring in, you know, just to show. But bomb.com, y'all. Like, bomb. Who's Nunu who? Baby, this is Skeezo. Like, who Nunu? Okay, I most definitely will be ordering again, whether it's earring, a custom necklace, 2-finger rings, you know, anything to keep me fly, baby, because I am a 90s baby and I am living for this whole shebang, you feel me? But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.